In this video, I will be demonstrating Talbot's ArcFM for Silverlight product. This product provides an out-of-the-box front end for ArcGIS and ArcFM server. In this application, we can view, query, analyze, and even perform data maintenance tasks. Of course, being a web browser, we have all the standard ability to move around the map, zoom in, look at the different areas, and all this is pulling live from an ArcGIS and ArcFM server instance that we have in our office here. So as we zoom in, we can see the insides of our transformer cabinets, things like that. Now, one of the core things here is the ability to perform identifies. So here I can choose a single underground primary conductor and see the information about it right here. I can come down and see the related conductor info records, and if I so choose, I can go look at other records as well. So if I bring up this transformer here, we'll be able to see the transformer units, as well as the surface structure related to it. I'm going to go look for a pole, 73593. So it'll take me right to that location. We're going to be able to see information about the pole, including its geographic location, of course, but then also all of the usual attributes. These attributes are a subset of the ArcFM attributes that you determine on the desktop, and these are driven through ArcCatalog. If I hover over, I can see those same set of attributes. And of course, I can come in here, click on a hyperlink, which will bring up, in this case, an image of that pole. Now, being a support structure, we have a lot of different things attached to it. So here we can see we have 3 different foreign attachments from cable companies. We've recently performed a pole inspection, and we can come down here and also take a look at the switch associated with this pole. So now, this being an electrical network, the ability to trace is quite important. So if I come over here, I'll run my downstream trace from this fuse right here. This will go out and return back all of the results downstream of this fuse. And I'm going to make my trace results a little more visible here, so we can see everything highlighted in red, including all of our service points here. If I click on the customer info here, we're able to see all this information as well. So one of the other key things here is the ability to export information out to Excel. So I will send this out to Excel, and this will prepare the file for us, and it will show us all of the information, including all of those customer information records that we have right here. So in addition to all this functionality, we also have the ability to perform basic edits. So if I come back to this pole here, and let's take a look at it in our attribute editor. So, if we're out in the field, we notice on the data plate that this pole was not manufactured in 1999. In fact, it was manufactured in 1988. We can enter that information and hit apply. Now, this will directly apply that edit to our geodatabase in a version that we've previously specified. So now that we've made this edit, we want to come over and let people back in the office know what's going on. So I'm going to enter in a text note. I can select it and move it around. Then I'll also come over here and outline it in red so we know exactly which pole we're talking about. Now, to get these red lines back to the office, I have a couple of different options here. The first one, I can come over, make up a page template, and send this out to our folks via PDF. I could also come over here and export this out to an XML file, which can then be read by other web users or imported into another program. And then we can also publish these red lines straight to the geodatabase in a special redline feature class. So in addition to all that, we can come over here. Let's say I want to look for all my transformers on feeder 1331. This will go out and return back all those results. I'll make them a little more visible here. Then, of course, we have the option to cluster the different clustering radiuses here. We can cluster things more tightly or not at all. So the last thing I want to show you here is the ability to hunt through related records. So if I want to find Mr. Norm Lensing, I'll go out, and this hunts through all of your customer information records and then brings back the associated service point. So we can come over here and see Mr. Lensing. Now this is not only for electric networks. We can also perform these same tasks using on your gas network, your water network, or all three networks at once. You can configure searches for all of these as well and work with them individually or in a mass. So in this video, I showed you Telvent's ArcFM for Silverlight, our out-of-the-box application that allows the user to view, query, analyze, and perform routine data maintenance all in a web environment. Thank you.